exercise 1B. Okay, so before going to start exercise 1B, let's have some basic concept. Okay, the basic concept. Okay, the sign rule. Sign. So sign rule says what? Minus into minus, then minus into plus, then plus into minus, then minus. Sorry, plus into plus. Okay. See the basic technique for the basic technique to remember the sign rule. See the basic technique to remember the sign rule is what? When you are multiplying the same sign to each other, in that case the result will be always positive. And when you will multiply the opposite sign, the answer will be always negative. So this minus into minus, both are minus means same sign. So result will so the result will be plus. Now here one is minus, one is plus, opposite sign. So result will be
minus.
One is plus, one is minus means opposite sign gives a minus. Plus into plus, the same sign.
Plus.
So this is the technique to remember the sign rule. It's easy or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's easy. Okay, so here only you need to remember the sign rule, and after that the question will get easy to solve.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
No.
Okay, I didn't think so.
Okay, so now question number 1. Question number 1 says find each of the following product. Find each of the following product. Find each of the following product. Okay, so number 1, 7 into 3. Number 2, 7 minus 7 into 3. Number 3, 7 into minus 3. Number 4, minus 7 into minus 3. Then number 5, minus 4 into 4. Number 6, 8 into minus 9. 7, minus 17 into 0. 8, minus 24 into minus 5. Then 9, minus 845 into 12, and 10, 500 into minus 19. Okay. So see, what is the process to solve this question? Okay. So very first, you have to multiply the sign, then you have to multiply the numbers. Okay. So here, 7 into 3. So is there any sign? Yes. As I told you, every integer or every number, not every integer, you can say every number. Okay, so every number, if there is no sign is given in that number, it means what? Plus sign is hidden with that particular number. So actually for this 7, the plus sign is hidden. For this 3, plus sign is hidden. Means what? Both are positive integers. So plus into plus, plus only. And so plus, if you write plus, it's also fine. If you don't write plus, it's also fine. Because plus is hidden with every number itself. Okay. So now multiply the number. So 7 3 is
21.
21. Now here, minus 7 have minus sign and 3 have plus sign. So minus into plus, minus into plus,
Minus.
minus 7
Minus.
21. And here again 7 into 3 means what? Plus into minus, minus first. Now 7 3 is 21. Okay. Now here I will solve some random question first. Okay. Now here.
So we can write this directly also like this.
Yes, it's directly on. So minus into plus, minus. Now multiply the number. So 12 5 60, carry 6. Carry 6. Now 12 4 48, 48 plus 6, 54, carry 5, 12 8 96, 96 plus 5,
100.
100. Okay. And here again, plus into minus. First minus, now multiply this 19 5 95, and there will be.
90.
Now solve the remaining questions.
Okay, sir.
And tell the answer. Okay. So for this, tell the answer.
Minus 20. Plus 20.
Plus 21.
And for this,
Minus 16.
this,
Minus
72.
Minus 72.
this.
Minus
0.
0.
Okay, remember one thing. If 0 is multiplied with any number, any integer, the result will always 0. Okay.
0.
And this.
120.
Okay. Fine. Any doubt?
So,
Handwriting is understandable?
yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm using now. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you once again explain me this one number? I didn't understand.
Which number?
So this exercise 1B1 number.
This one. This 7 into 3.
Yes, sir.
So 7 into 3. See here. 7 is a positive integer. This is the positive integer. 3 is also a positive integer. Now, how? See, whenever any number is written with no sign, if there is no sign with this number, it means what? Plus sign is hidden with this number. Okay, this plus sign is always hidden with all the numbers. If before that no sign is given. So here, before 7, no sign is given. So it's a positive 7. Before 3, no sign is given. Means what? It's a positive number. Okay, both are positive number or both are positive integers. So we know that multiplication of plus into plus gives what? Plus only. So first we have to multiply the signs of plus into plus. Plus only. Now multiply the number. So 7 into 3 gives what? 21. So plus 21. So whether you write plus 21 or simply 21, both are correct. Because what is 21 also? Plus sign is hidden. Okay. So for the positive number, it's not necessary to write plus sign before that. Okay. It's hidden itself already. Okay. But since we are learning the integer chapter, so integer chapter means what? Positive integer or negative integer. That's why to differentiate, we usually write. Okay. But if you will not write, that's also fine. Okay. Okay. Now can I read now? Yes. Yes.
First, we have to see the signs, and whichever sign it comes, if negative or positive, we will write that, and then we will multiply it.
Yeah. First, you have to multiply the sign, positive, negative, positive, whatever. Then we have to multiply the numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, question number 2. Simplify. Okay, first see these 3 questions. Okay. Now, before going to start this 3 questions, let's again some basic rule, basic concept. Okay. Now see. Before that, in sign rule, what we have seen, if we have 2 sign means 2 integer, then only we are multiplying and we get the result like minus into minus, plus into minus. This all okay. But when you are going to multiply more than 2 sign, means like if you are multiplying like minus into minus, it gives you how much?
Or minus.
Plus into minus. This gives you what?
Or minus.
Plus into minus. Sorry, minus into plus. See here. Rule is same. First multiply the 2 sign, then the result, whatever the result will come out, that result will multiply to the other or the remaining sign. So see, minus into minus gives you what?
Plus, sir.
Plus, sir.
Now this plus will multiply to this minus. So plus into minus.
Minus.
Same here. Plus into plus.
Plus.
Now plus into minus.
Minus.
That's
Minus.
This is what minus. Again here. Plus into minus.
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 Into plus.
Minus.
Minus.
Now you understood this basic rule?
Yes, sir.
No, yes.
Sir.
Same here. Minus into minus.
Plus.
Plus. Now plus into plus.
Plus.
Plus only, so plus. Now multiply the number. 4 2s are 8. 8 1s are?
8.
Answer is 8 directly.
8.
Okay. Now again minus into minus.
Plus.
Plus into minus.
Minus.
Okay. So minus 5 6 is 30. 30 is 30.
30. Minus 30.
Again here, see here. As I told you before, if 0 is multiplied with any integer, any number, the answer will directly. No need to do anything. 0 is the direct answer. Understood? Say yes.
Sir.
No problem. Minus 14 into minus 5 into minus 8. Again, minus into minus.
Plus.
Plus.
Plus into minus.
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 Minus, now multiply the numbers. 14 5 are 70. 78 are 563. Understood? Say na yes.
Yes, sir.
Or any problem, doubt? Okay, now minus 17 into 15 into minus 12. Again, minus into minus.
Plus.
Plus into minus.
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 Now again multiply here. 17 into 15 into 12. So do in rough. So 17 into 15 is how much? So 55 again multiply with 12.
So 3060.
3060.
Oh, sorry, 5610.
Yeah, 5610. Okay. Any doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Yes, Dana.
sir, we have to write in process or direct only.
Direct. What process?
Sir, like we have to find like this, sir. Not in process, sir. Direct only.
Yeah, direct only.
Okay.
I think multiplication, is it fine? Let me check again. Fine. 255. Okay, then from 12. Okay. Oh, I did extra multiplication. Okay, so up to here we have to do. I did this extra multiplication. Okay, 3060. Okay. It's mistake over here. This will be actually 3060. Okay. Okay, now 5, then 6 number. Tell me the direct answer.
Sir, 0.
Zero.
Sir, 0.
Okay, don't think, direct 0.
Sir, there will no come. The signs will not come.
No, sign will not come. 0 means what? 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. No? 0 is neutral. No? So 48 into 20 into -1 into -5. Tell me. Okay, minus into plus.
Minus.
Minus into minus.
Plus.
Minus.
Plus into minus.
Minus.
Minus. Okay. Now 48 into 20.
Sir,
90. Okay.
9,900.
900. Okay. 900 into 5. 4500. Is this answer 4500?
No, sir. Sir, for
48.
4800.
minus 960, no?
4800.
4800. Okay. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Now 8 number. So can I raise till here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 by 12 into. Okay. This is a positive integer. Either it is a rational number or irrational number. It doesn't matter. Okay. So this 1 by 12 is a positive integer. Okay. So plus into minus, minus into
Minus.
plus, minus into plus,
Minus.
okay, minus into minus,
Plus.
so plus. Now just write the other number. Now we have to cancel it here.
Sir,
Okay. So now see when you can do the
for
cancel.
36 minus 36.
So 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 4 1 are 4, 4 1 are 4. Okay. So the answer is what? 3 is only the answer. Plus 3. Positive 3 is the answer.
3.
Sir, we can do like this. 9 4s are 36 and then 36 divided by 12.
Yeah, that also we can do.
So that.
Okay. 9 number. Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 into 25 into 230. Okay. So see how we can solve this question. So again, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, again minus. So minus. Okay. Now the number are minus 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 25 into 230. Okay. So here don't multiply all the numerator first. Okay. So here only do the cancellation. It will be easy. Okay.
Okay.
Easy for the calculations and all. So 5 1 5, 5 5 25. Okay.
Yes,
Now after doing this, what we have left? We have left 2 into 5 into 238. So 2 5 are 10. 10 into 238 gives about 238 0 means 2380. So this will be your answer.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now 3 number. 3 number is what? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So number 1 says what? The product of
Sir, minus 35.
dash and minus 1 is 35. Number 2, dash into minus 8 is equal to 96. Number 3, the sign of the product of the product of 8 negative integers, 8 negative integers and 1 positive integer is 1 positive integer is dash. Number 4, minus 7 into 29 into 0 into minus 8 is equal to dash. Okay. So see. So number 1, the product of dash and minus 1 is minus 35. The answer will be what?
Plus 35.
35.
Plus
Now
35.
dash into minus 8 is equal to 96. So we
Minus-
have 12, 8 and 96. Okay, but the result is what? Positive. So minus must be multiplied with minus, so minus 12. Okay. Now third number, the sign of the product of 8 negative integer. Okay. The sign of the product of 8 negative integer and 1 positive integer is what? Negative. Negative into positive is what?
Negative.
So answer will be what?
Negative.
Okay. And number 4, answer.
Number 4.
You're taking too
Minus 7 into 0. Sir,
much
0.
time. Huh?
Sir, 0.
Yeah. Any doubt?
0. No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
Wait. Third number is answer is what? Positive. What? But how positive?
Sir, minus plus is minus. Minus plus.
Oh, see.
Yeah.
8 negative integer. It's not minus 8. So here we got confused. So here, see. I will tell you how. See. 8 negative integer is what? 8 times this minus sign is multiplied.
Sir, 8 times minus means minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus.
Yeah, 8 times. Okay.
Plus minus into minus.
So 4,
8 times the same.
5, 6, 7, and 8 times. Okay. And this is multiplied with 1 positive integer. With multiply 1 positive integer. So answer will be what? See. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, again plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, and plus into plus plus. Or answer is what? Positive. Okay. State which is greater. State which is greater. Okay, so number 1. 7 plus 8 into 9 or 7 plus 8 into 9. Okay. Number 2, 7 minus 8 into 9 or 7 minus 8 into 9. And number 3, which is what? Minus 7 minus 8 into 9 or 7 minus 8 into minus 9. So this is the question. Okay, now see, so these are the questions, okay? So we are going to solve these questions, okay?
Okay, sir.
Sorry, son.
Okay,
So
sir.
the question says state which is greater. The question says which is greater. Means 7 plus 8 into 9 or 7 plus 8 into 9, okay? Means in the other format, okay? Means or is what? From or only we have to compare. Means before or sum and after or sum. So the question says before or wala sum is greater or after or wala sum is greater. Between them, which one is greater? The question is asking. So for that, what we can do, we are going to solve before or wala sum and after or wala sum one by one. Then when we will get the result, then we will compare. Then we can find out. Okay. So see here, we can write 7 plus 8, 15 into 9 or 7 plus 8 9 ja 72.
72.
Now 59 ja 135 or 79. So which one is greater?
135. 135.
Hence we can write. So this is the value of this side sum. So this will be greater than 7 plus 8. Okay, this is the answer. So for now this same 7 minus 8 minus 1 into 9 or 7 minus 72. Or sorry, not on this side, like that sign. Okay. So minus 9 or this will work. So between them, which one is greater?
Minus.
Minus 9.
Minus 9.
Okay. So between them, which one is greater? Tell me.
Minus 135 is smaller than 7.
Minus 65.
Minus 65.
Minus 65 is greater.
Understand? There's no any such a problem. I think it's a very easy questions.
कॉपी सब खरीदना पड़ेगा ना रजनीश? हाँ? कितना बताओ? बाप रे, क्या वो सब हाँ ना लेकिन स्कूल में जाएगा और जब एग्जाम हुआ तो कैसे करेगा?
Mute yourself. Who is there? Who is talking? Oh my God.
तेरा कितना समय था? 2 दिन मिला? ना।
Okay, so this is the question. Use the number line to work out. Okay, so minus 4 into 3. Actually, when okay, before going to solve that question, just see here. If I'm writing 2 into 3, we can also say this sum as 2 times 3. Can we say? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I'm writing 2 into minus 4. Can we say 2 times minus 4?
Yes sir.
So here, the question is given minus 4 into 3. This minus 4 into 3 can be write like this 3 into minus 4. Yeah. So
Yes,
3
sir.
into minus 4 means what? 3 times minus 4. It means what? 3 times minus 4. Okay. So this is actually equal to how much? Minus 12.
Minus 12.
Okay. Now
Minus.
we represent this sum into the number line. So see, our integer result is what? Negative integer. So we have to take the negative side only, means to the right side only, to the left side only. Okay. Means what? Just start from the 0 only. Okay. So 0 is the origin. So if you will go to the right side after 0, that will be your positive side integer. Okay. But we have to get our value in the negative side because the result is what? Negative 12 means negative integer. That's why we have to go to the negative side only, means to the left side only. Okay. So that's why we are not going to represent the positive side. Okay. So from 0 to the left side, all the value will be what? Tell
Negative.
Negative. Okay.
Negative.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is minus 12, minus 11, minus 10. Okay. Now see. Now minus 12, but 3 times minus 4 means what? This minus 4 unit will be jumped 3 times. Okay. Means from 0 to minus 4. 1 time. Again minus 4 to minus 8. Second time. Again minus 8 to minus 12.
All time.
Third time. Means from here, so every time we are jumping minus 4 unit, means 4 unit. Okay. So this is minus 4, this is minus 4, and this is also minus 4.
Minus
So this is the first time, this is the second time, and this is the third time.
4.
And this is only the number line representation of minus point, this much only. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Understand this?
Can I erase now?
I didn't understand.
Where is the problem? What is the name? What is your name? Where is the problem?
Do you have the grass number?
Huh?
So I don't understand what did you tell. How did you minus 12?
Okay, when I will solve question number 2, now then you will understand. Okay. Question
Okay,
number,
sir.
the same question. Okay. 6. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2,
Sir,
I
can
will
you take me from another slice?
Okay, so 5 into minus 2. Okay, so it's already in arranged form, so that's why we don't need to arrange here. Okay, so 5 into minus 2 means what? This means actually 5 times minus 2.
5 times minus 2.
Okay, and we know that 5 into minus 2 is how much?
10.
Minus 10.
Minus
10.
10.
Yeah. Now our total integer is how much? Minus 10. Means we have to plot
Minus
the integer
10.
up to minus 10. So now plot. So we'll start from origin 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3.
So we have to show this number line also, yes, by drawing.
So we have to go till minus 10. That's right, till minus 10. Okay. Now 5 times minus 2 means this minus 2 will jump how many times?
5 times.
5 times.
2 times.
Means
5.
2 units to the
5.
negative direction, we have to jump 5 times. So 0 to minus 2, 1 time, minus 2 to minus 4, 2 times, then
Second
3
time.
times,
Third time.
then
6.
4 times,
Third.
then
8. 4th.
5
10. 5th time.
Okay. So each time we are covering how much units?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Okay. So this is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time, this is the fourth time, this is the fifth time. It's easy only. Now any doubt? Tell me here.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's easy only.
Sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Anybody just ask now?
No, sir.
One verb was asked.
No,
what was
sir.
the name? Now, do you have any problem? Say yes, no, why not? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now 6 number. The temperature of a certain place fell by 2 degrees centigrade, a change of minus 2 degrees centigrade each day for a week. Okay. Each day for a week. What is the temperature of what is the change of temperature over the whole week? Okay.
Sir, can you take Arab in breakout room?
Anvi.
Sir, Arav.
Arav.
Wait.
Sir, what are we doing? I came late.
Sir, I was disconnected.
I was also disconnected.
Okay. Now we are doing question number 6. Okay. The question number 6 says the temperature of a certain place fell by 2 degrees centigrade. Fell by 2 degrees centigrade. A change of minus 2 degrees centigrade. A change of minus 2 degrees centigrade. each day for a week. Each day for a week. Okay. What is the change of temperature over the whole week? What is the change of temperature? What is the change of temperature over the whole week? In our solution. See, the question is the temperature of a certain place fell by 2 degrees centigrade. Okay. To solve this question, we can use the number line.
Sir, so we don't need to write the language.
Means, okay, just first see now. First see each day. Okay, see. In a week, how many days?
7, sir.
One week.
7 days.
7 days.
7 days.
Okay. Now the question says, in one day,
Sir, 7.
the temperature fall by 2 degrees centigrade. Means fall means what? Minus 2 degrees centigrade. Okay. So in one day, the temperature fall by minus 2 degrees centigrade. Okay. So for the 7 days, how much temperature will be fall? So see, 7 days in one day. Okay. So this representation is what? This is the temperature. Okay. Yeah. See. So in one day,
7 to
minus 2 degrees centigrade temperature fall in one day. Second day, minus 4, then minus 6, then minus 8, then minus 10, then minus 12, then minus 14. Means
minus 14.
one day, this is the second day, then this is the third day, this is the fourth day, this is the fifth day, this is the sixth day, and this is the seventh day. So in the seventh day overall, so in 7th day, or we can say in 1 week, total fall in temperature
सब माधव का आदत ही होता है क्या?
is equal to 7 into each day the temperature fall by minus 2 degrees centigrade. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is also minus 2 degrees centigrade. Okay. So in 7 day total value what? 7 into minus 2 degrees centigrade is equal to minus 14 degrees centigrade. So this will be the answer. Not in 7th day, just write. So in total 7 days. So just write. So in total 7 days or 1 week, the total temperature, the total fall in temperature is equal to 7 into minus 2 degrees centigrade. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, 7.
सब कर ले रहे हाँ बस कर ले ना
Right, 2 hours.
खाली ऊपर
So 7 per 1. The product of 3 negative integer is a negative integer of 3 negative integer is a negative integer. Then question number 2 of the 2 integer. If one is negative, one is negative, then the product must be negative. The product must be negative, and must be the product of A negative, the product of a negative and a positive integer and positive integer makes 0. Number 4, if is greater than 1, then there is no integer. Then there is no integer b, so that okay. Okay, so see, the product of three negative integer is a negative integer.
True.
True. How true? See, minus into minus into minus. Obviously, it will give you minus, so it's a true statement.
Sir, we have to also show like you have shown.
No. This is for your understanding only. Okay, you have to only write true or false. Now number 3. Of that is this is of or if. Yeah, if. Sorry, it's if. Okay. If the two integers, if one is negative, then their product must be negative. Tell me.
False.
False.
How false?
Sir, because
See,
Sir, because another
If
integer
one-
can be positive also
positive
negative.
multiplied by negative is negative.
negative,
Yes, sir.
or also if I will write negative into negative, this to will gives you what? Positive, no?
Equals to positive.
So must be negative. This statement false here. Okay, that's why this is what? False. Now number 3, the product of negative and positive integer may be 0.
False.
False. Of course, it's false only. The product of negative and positive integer. Okay, so 0 is neither a negative integer nor a positive integer. Means what? Negative into positive integer can't be 0. Can't be 0. Okay, can't be 0. Okay, so it's false. Now number 4, if a is greater than 1, then there is no integer b such that a into b is equal to b into a is equal to b. True or false?
True.
How to? The question says a is greater than 1 and then there is no integer b. Okay, so suppose let a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 0. Why b is equal to 0? Because the question said there is no integer b. Okay, so no integer b means we can take the meaning like b is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer, so we can take b as a 0. Okay, now a into b is what? 2 into 0, 0. B into a is what? 0 into 2, again 0, and b itself is what? 0. So a into b is equal to b into a is equal to b. All are what? 0 value, hence true.